Every now and then, a new technology comes along that changes the way creators work. Today, we're looking at one of those rare moments. Introducing the Hailuo AI from Minimax. The brand new Hailuo 2.3 model is here, and it's a major leap forward in AI motion, realism, and creativity. This update brings 4 major improvements: next level motion control for dance, sports and action scenes, a massive stylization upgrade from anime to cinematic looks, realistic micro expressions that make AI characters feel alive, and rock solid e-commerce capabilities for generating product ads. In this video, I'll walk you through how Hailuo 2.3 works, what makes it revolutionary, and how it can completely transform the creative process, from idea to final output. When you first open Hailuo at hailuoai.video, you're welcomed by a sleek chat-based interface. Everything starts with a conversation. You tell the AI what you want to create, and it gets to work instantly. This simplicity is deliberate. It removes the friction between inspiration and creation. You're no longer navigating menus or sliders, you're talking to your creative engine. Let me show you how this works. It all begins with Hailuo Agent. In the chat interface, you describe your vision. For example, you can type. Within seconds, it renders a professional quality image. But it doesn't stop there. You can continue the conversation. You can say, make it look more futuristic, or add motion blur. The AI understands context, style, and continuity. It feels like creative dialogue rather than command prompting. Now for the transformative step. Once Hailuo Agent has helped you create the perfect concept image, you use the image to view your feature to animate it. What you're seeing here is more than just movement. It's motion with meaning. You describe the action, and Hailuo 2.3 brings it to life with a sense of weight and momentum. This is a game changer for performance content. Whether it's the fluid grace of ballet, the powerful energy of K-pop, or the dynamic moves of cheerleading, Hailuo creates smooth, realistic motion with true cinematic energy. The days of stiff and unnatural movement for AI are over. Next up is the massive stylization upgrade. Think of Hailuo 2.3 as your entire art department. You can define the entire visual language of your video with just words. Let's use this scene, a samurai duel in a bamboo forest. First, we apply an anime style. Let's try a retro style. From anime and cinematic looks to retro and fantasy, the AI applies styles with deep understanding of light and composition. This allows you to create visually striking and unique content that stands out immediately. This is where the realism gets truly uncanny. We're not just talking about simple smiles or frowns. Hailuo 2.3 understands emotional depth. We're talking about subtle emotions, realistic eye movements, and nuanced facial details. This attention to micro-expressions is what transforms AI characters from animated puppets into believable performers you can actually connect with. The performance finally feels alive. Finally, let's talk about practical power. Hailuo 2.3 brings unprecedented stability to commercial applications like e-commerce. Just upload a product photo and describe the shot. The AI generates a video with elegant motion and photorealistic reflections. This significantly boosts the success rate of AI-generated ads, allowing anyone to create high-quality commercial content in seconds, with no actors and no budget. So, Hailuo 2.3 isn't just an update. It's a significant step forward in redefining what's possible with AI video. It gives you professional-grade motion control, stunning stylization, and emotional depth that actually connects with views. And now, experiencing this powerful technology is easier than ever. Hailuo is offering a special free trial. I'm personally incredibly impressed by what it can do. What would you create with it? Visit hailuoai.video today to claim your free generations and start exploring these new capabilities yourself. The future of creation isn't powered by AI, it's co-created with it. And Hailuo AI is leading the revolution. Let me know what you guys think of this new update for Hailuo. Is this something that you'd use? Let us know in the comment section down below. I've been Adam from Tech Utopia. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.